Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create website through using this card.co. So this is actually a system that will help you to create a fully responsive and interactive and a perfect website for your business or your portfolio or your blog post, and it's totally free. So first, from here you can find their works here that you can create simple designs, responsive designs in almost in every device, like mobile device, desktop, or your MacBook, or on your tab. Then it's totally free actually, but you can go pro, so you can unlimited, you can use this card unlimited, but if you are on free, so you can actually create only 3 websites for per account. So you can add custom domains. If you get the pro version, then you can get the more sites. You can add forms, you can add widgets and embeds, you can add Google Analytics, and no branding. Actually you can get any branding like card branding on your website. Now you can get this, choose a starting point. You can simply click on it. Now you can select choose a starting point. You can go with any of this template here. You can find different types of template that you can edit. So I prefer you to go with the template, but some are actually premium. Here you can see premium, so you have to pay for that templates here. But there is some pretty much cool free web template that you can use. For example, this one I like it so much. So you can see the demo here. If I click on demo, so here you can find the demo. It actually in portfolio site that you can use for your portfolio, or if you want to get a web page for anything like this or this one, like this one, this actually premium. So you can select any of these this template for your site. So like this one, demo. So you can see this is another website that you can, web page that you can use. So that's how you can edit it. You can simply click on select and you can edit that template from here. So it's pretty simple, but we are going to create a blank page here. Now you can see my address. This is actually the site that we are going to show you how you can create it from scratches. So if you click on this dashboard here, so you can find the background. So you can select the background color here. So you can add the titles here. So you can add it. So you can add any title. So you can add like anything, like my store, anything, or like giga shot. And then you can easily make it bold actually. So you can make that bold. You can mark down it and you can make it bold or anything. So you can just make a slash, sorry, not that actually. So you can add bold, not that actually. So if I play that, here you can find some animation. So if you want any animation, then you can simply click on animation here, then add style. So you can find a new style here. You'll find a pencil icon here, or you can add any animation from here. So you can find this, there's different types of animation like fade in, so it will fade in, or you can get different types of like flip forward or slide right, so just like this. So you can add different types of animation from here. So should let me show you with that template that I have just picked here. So I'm going to select the template here. So I'm going to just edit this template so you can get idea about all the tools from here. So this is actually the page here. So if you select a template, so you can find the navigation section at the right side. So from here you can find the page here. So you can add your web page titles here. You can simply click on it, and this is actually the header section. So from here you can set like just like this, and I'm going to tap on done, and from here you can customize it by click on this brush icon. You can just change the color, change the font style here. So just like this, you can change size of your title here, page title, the color also. Now you can simply click on it and you can change the color of your title, then white, and I'm going to select the white from here, yes, just like this. And here is line spacing, so you can select the line spacing if you have multiple lines here, and you can select the letter spacing so it could look a little luxurious here. Then indent, and you can find the width and margins. You can also select the margins of your header, just like this. Let me show you the margins here. So you can also say select the appearance, so uppercase or lowercase. You can set the uppercase letter or lowercase letter, like all will be appear in lowercase or small caps, so just like this if you want. So it's look pretty cool. So then from here, position is top left, or you can make it center, or top left, or top right, just like this. So I'm going to set it like this. And here you can find the padding and size and contents. You can also add some alignments from here if you want to make alignments for your contents. Then spacing here, so you can select the spacing between the content and titles here. Then also the mobile view here, so in mobile view you can just adjust the size and the alignment of contents with the title here. Now simply click on this play button here to get the animation from here, so you can get this fade in. It has already said that fade in from here, so apply visibility to content, so you can apply it or you can change it here. So from here you can simply click on that, and it is actually fade in, actually the default animation for this template, so you can change it. But otherwise elements on load, you can change it like fade in. If any elements in on load, so it will appear with this fade in effect, so fade in animation. Now you can simply click on done button here. So here if I play that button here, you can see it is just fade in on the page, and you can select that, and you can see each and every part of this section here. So here is all of this section. Now if you want to add an image here, so for that you have to simply click on box here, and let me show you. Drop shadow, you can add shadow, you can add border, you can add pattern here, so like this. And I'm going to add a pattern, so just like this. And so you can just simply click on this 3 horizontal line button here, and now you can select background, and here you'll find the style, so you can get a solid color, or you can add gradient, or you can add image from here. So you can just simply click on upload button here, so you can add a image if you want. So I'm going to add an image. So this is actually our airsoft gun here. So accept and done. Here you can see it is a total background of this page, so you can just add it like here. So I'm going to add this thing here, the background, and center, the position is center, and off here horizontally, yes, just like this. So you can place it all over center, yes, just like this. So here you can see you can add your image, a background image here, just like this. And also if you want to add pages here, so you can go to the page and you can select the style, default, box, white box, or tall box here, and you can edit that section here, and mode the normally or background friendly also. So background height, you can choose the height, background height here, so just like this. And also you can simply edit anything like type and columns here, or sorry, not that, default. And you can simply click on appearance, and from here you can get contents, and here is background image. So you can upload another background image from here. For example, I want to add this one, so for this type this size. Yes, now simply click on accept. So here you can see it has just added this background image here, so you can edit it, or you can just crop it, or just like this, or you can just accept, you can just align it, or you can just change the color. You can go with this color, or you can make it blur also. So I'm going to cancel it right now. And yeah, that's pretty much all thing. Also, you can add overlay, you can add pattern from here. You can add different types of pattern that if you want, so like this type of pattern here. So, and also like this type of wall pattern, brick pattern here, here, and this is non-pattern actually. So you can add images in this section. Also, you can add some icons, and you can add some social media accounts in this icon. You can add your links in this URL section, and you can connect with your social media accounts here. And you can also get this button workful by entering the URL, so it can connect with another page or the interactive page, so that button can be connected. So like this is actually for sending email, so you can connect it with your inbox or the sending mail integration. So integrate the email section so that the users can send you mail through their email or Google Gmail. So you can get that email from the visitor or the traffic from your web page. Now you can just play your web page here, just like see how it looks like. Yes, just like this. So you can get this animation on this curd.co, which will allow you to create interesting web page just like this. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.